Well, hello folks, and welcome to another photography based video. Well, kind of. So guys, kind of photography based video? Well, let me explain. So guys, this is my GoPro Hero 8 Black, complete with its media mod. Now guys, they are absolutely brilliant action cams, great for vlogging. Stabilization is excellent. It does improve with each model, but yes, as with all GoPros guys, that isn't without its issues. But as I said, brilliant action cam. But can it take a decent photograph? Well, in the up and coming video we're about to find out. So guys, this has actually got a 12 megapixel sort of sensor, or it takes 12 megapixel photographs. Said it's a pretty much fixed focus lens, so you can't sort of zoom in or zoom out. But I wanted to try it out for photography, so we went out. Cheers! I was going to have a swig of my coffee, guys. So guys, we went out on I did a couple of sort of trips out. And I took the GoPro specifically to take some photographs. So the first part of the video and the photographs that pop up were done quite some time ago, and it was still rather chilly when we visited a local park called Stanton Park. So basically we just walked around there and took a little bit of video, but mainly some photography just to try it out. And then sort of weather turned a bit sour. We had all them high winds and we had quite a lot of rain here in my neck of the woods. So we went out on another photo trip over the Easter weekend, where me and Karen went to our favourite place, which is Swanage, and took the GoPro again and took a little bit of video, but used it mainly for photography. And I don't know what was in that coffee. Anyway guys, we used it mainly for photography, and you know, yeah, it worked quite well. Said that all the settings were going to be, we left all the settings on automatic, so I think I did limit the ISO so it wouldn't go up too high, but basically everything was left on automatic. The lens was set on the linear, so you didn't get those sort of warped verticals. But other than that guys, as I said, everything was on automatic. So the video that you're about to see is sort of the two parts of that little photo trip, or photo trips, where we tested the GoPro for photography. So guys, see what you think of these. So guys, here we are at Stanton Park. It's an absolutely beautiful morning, sun shining, lambs in the field. So spring hasn't it? Do you think spring is spring? Yeah. Daffodils and everything. It's absolutely beautiful morning. So we're going to have a walk around and enjoy this absolutely beautiful morning. Now, apart from coming out for a nice walk, one of the other reasons I've come out for, guys, is I want to test the photography capabilities of my GoPro Hero 8. So what we're going to do, guys, we're just going to walk around and grab some photos. Don't know what settings we're going to use at the minute. I think the photo sessions in the linear mode. I'm not sure what the megapixels is on this one actually. Should have researched that before I started. Anyway, there's a big puddle coming up, so we're going to move over. So guys, let me just spin round. So there you go. Sheep behind us. Karen's all dressed in red, so we won't lose her. So anyway guys, as I said, you don't want to listen to my inane waffle, so we're just going to walk around and enjoy this lovely day and see if it's possible to take a half decent photograph with a GoPro. So here we go guys, photography with a GoPro, part 1, maybe part 2. Anyway guys, catch you later on. So guys, I thought I'd just share with you this nice little avenue as we carry on taking photographs. So If you remember the last video we did out here, what's that, a robin in front? Anyway,
Yeah.
if you remember the last video, I think we were out here testing my smartphone out here that time, guys. So we've come back to the same place, so this could be sort of a part 2 to that, I suppose, guys. So
That's January, wasn't it?
oh, January, yeah. Or even, no, it could have been even November. We'll have to check back. No, we can't. We'll have to check back on the video for that. Anyway, guys, so this really is just sort of same area, guys. But we're gonna, whereas we got a bit lost last time.
We're going the other way round.
And we run, yeah, we're going the other way around. And also we run out of time. So we're gonna do that bit this time, guys. So anyway, enough of this waffle. Back to the photography. So guys, here we are. We've actually made it to Stanton Woods. So on the last sort of video we did when we came out here, I think that was with the testing my Samsung Galaxy S20, we didn't make it this far. So we've now made it to what is called Stanton Woods. So we're going to have a walk around Stanton Woods and have a look at the trees, take some photographs.
Quite in it yet, are we?
Not quite in it yet.
Well, very woody at the moment.
No, we're not quite in the woods yet, but anyway, we're out of the woods. That's for saying that. Anyway, guys, enough of this waffling. More photography with a GoPro. So, guys, I can report that we're actually lost. Karen's lost us again. We were trying to follow the red route, and well,
bloody red route.
Bloody red route. We always get lost at the red route. Anyway, on we go. So guys, we've decided to actually walk around the woods, so we could be lost. Think we're lost?
Well, we are. It's a nice day to be lost.
It's a nice day to be lost, but anyway guys, so we're going to walk around the rest of the wood, and well, we can't be that far because the road's in front of us.
We're heading away from the actual car park. I never know.
We found another car park, but oddly enough we're walking away from our car park. So anyway, it's a beautiful day to be out, so let's not worry about being lost. Anyway guys, more photography to do, I think, guys. So guys, that concludes our little walk. Well, it wasn't so little, was it?
Little, 3 hours.
3 hours we've been walking around here, guys. We're pretty knackered is the term, I think. Anyway guys, that concludes our little walk round, or large walk round Stanton Park and Stanton Woods. So that was certainly a good test photography wise for the GoPro. The GoPro battery's on nearly flat, so I don't know how much more we're going to get out of it. Anyway guys, so we're going to go back now and have a well-deserved cup of coffee, and I believe we've got a yum yum left. We got a yum yum left.
Yum yum.
We got a yum yum. Yum yum. Yeah, yum yum. So guys, here we are, we're now in Swanage. We've been here a little while, had a cup of tea and a cake and just a little stroll round. So as I say guys, you can see behind us, absolutely beautiful day. but I'm not going to be doing much filming. This is all about the photography capabilities of the GoPro. So I'm just going to spin you around so you can see what we're looking at, guys. So guys, here we are. We've sort of walked down to where the Swanage rowing club is. As you can see, guys, it's an absolutely beautiful day, considering it's what's it? It's Easter Saturday today. Oh, better keep the old GoPro straight. But there you go, guys. That's what we're looking at. Absolutely gorgeous day. But guys, as I said, this is all about GoPro photography. If you want to listen to my inane drivel and ramblings, we're going to have some photographs, guys. So
we did see the lifeboat pulling over.
oh yes, Karen did say, yeah, we see some incident with a lifeboat towing a little boat in, so a bit of excitement, but too far away, so unfortunately the GoPro with its very wide angle lens is not really suitable for that sort of thing. Anyway guys, enough of this waffle. We're going to take some photos and we're going to go and hunt some fish and chips as well, because we've been here a couple of hours and we haven't had fish and chips yet.
We had a cake though.
We had a cake, yeah. Anyway guys, that's it for now. We'll catch you later. So guys, I know I said I wasn't going to do much photography, but I'm going to have to show you this view. Got a bit of fog out there, or mist, I don't know what you call that, sea mist, fog, but
Really lifted, isn't it?
not really lifted since we've been here, so don't know how well the photographs are going to turn out, but just thought I got to show you this view, guys. So guys, what do you think of them? Not too bad, I think. Sort of on a par with maybe your sort of smartphone. To me, the GoPro has that, shall we say, that smartphone look, perhaps a little bit oversaturated, maybe a little bit over sharpened. But yeah, definitely got that smartphone look. But overall, I was actually quite pleased with the results, guys. I mean, if you had nothing else, then it would work. Or if you wanted to travel really light and had the option to take some photos and video, I think it would definitely work. It's certainly smaller than a lot of smartphones in its sort of a compact sort of size. So yeah, I think, you know, at a pinch you could use it for a little bit of photography. One thing I did find, and I think in future I think I would actually, if I ever use it for photography again, is the media mod. Because I don't know where you're going to see it, guys, but on the front there, that is the actual button for recording and taking photographs. But because the media mod, this is media mod, on the underside of that, I don't know, well, I can explain it, but on the underside of that, there's like a little rubber, I don't know, nipple, something like that, that sticks or protrudes out. So when you push on that, that then actuates on top of the actual shutter button on the GoPro. I think because it's rubber, it does compress. So when you push it down, you've got to give it quite a little bit of downward force before the shutter trips. So if you're not very careful when you sort of do that, you know, it's going to be exaggerated. You tend to push So in some instances I had trouble with the framing, but generally, yeah, it worked a treat. But as I said, guys, I think in future, if we were to use it, I would probably take the medium mod off. It'd probably be a little bit easier. But other than that, as I said, guys, you know, if that was all you had, it would certainly do the job. Anyway, guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this little video and enjoyed the photographs that we've taken with the GoPro, and we will catch you on the next video. So for now, guys, we'll see you all again. Thanks for watching, and bye bye for now. Oh, nice coffee.